Yeah, so hi and hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. So today we're continuing our journey on program governance practices. As we were discussing performance domains of a program management. So currently we are in a program governance domain. We already discussed about strategy alignment, benefits management, and stakeholder engagement. So there are three important aspects when it comes to program governance, right? Those are the program governance practices which we're currently going through, and two other topics are program governance roles and program governance and design and implementation, which will deal in subsequent videos. So when it comes to program governance practices, there are 12 important areas to be covered. We already covered 8 areas. Today we're going to cover about program governance reviews and program periodic health checks. So let's try to understand what is program governance review. These program governance reviews are done at key decision points in a program lifecycle. It could be like phase gate reviews, or it could be transition decisioning or something. Generally, governance reviews are conducted at times that coincide with the initiation or completion of significant segments to enable to enable governance to approve or disapprove it. Right? Whenever there is an important decisions, you want a steering committee to take it, right? The steering committee, along with the governance board, they might conduct governance reviews. Governance reviews facilitate review and approval of changes during the governance review. Right? During the governance reviews, it also helps to review the change and approve that. Right? The change can be terminating a program. The change can be transitioning it. The change can be adding a few components. Right? And fourth important aspect in is the it's held in support of portfolio management and budgeting processes. So generally, program governance reviews are held in support of portfolio management and budgeting processes. Right? So decision reviews may lead to termination as well. We discussed. Expectation of an organization is detailed in program governance plan. Right? So program governance plan will tell you what are the expectations of the organization in terms of program governance reviews, right? What is expected from a program governance team or program governance review as per the process? What is the organization expecting from this process? Also detailed in the governance plan. So let's understand what are the different assessments generally conducted during the program governance reviews. Okay, PMI talks about nine assessments. It includes strategic alignment of a program and components with the goals of an organization. Right? So, governance reviews will ensure that alignment is relevant. Assessing the actual benefits of the program and components, yes, very much is required. Risk assessment and assistance in the responses. Right? Program resource needs and competency. Reviewing the resource need, add resources, remove resources, fade out the competencies. Right? Stakeholder satisfaction with the current program performance, how the program is performing towards the stakeholder satisfaction, potential impact of external developments on program plans and strategies, issues to be resolved in order to improve the program performance, potential needs for changes of elements of a program. Is there any need to change in any element or component of a program? Fulfillment of criteria for exiting the preceding phase and getting into the next phase. So these are the 8 or 9 assessment we can do it as part of program governance reviews. Now let us look at one more area of program governance practices, which is program periodic health checks. So generally periodic health happens between decision point reviews to assess the programming ongoing performance, progress towards the realization and sustainment of benefits. The important use of these reviews, right, periodic health checks, increases when there is an extended period between the schedule of decision point reviews. If there is a very less decision point reviews, you can have more periodic health. When there is a more decision point reviews, you can reduce the periodic health checks, right? So program governance plan again specifies the governance requirements for scheduling the content, the participants and assessment, used during the health checks. So this is also being defined in the governance plan. So with that, we come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a fair idea about as part of program governance practices, how the program governance reviews and periodic health checks works as part of the program governance plan. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.